You're being extremely vocal. Yeah, you're being so vocal. What do you got so much to say? You got so much to say. Mmm. 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 Keep it coming faster, Grandma. I like it. I like it. Maybe I should put some rice in there because it's kind of runny. Huh. Yeah, I think that's what Mommy does. Yeah, we're going to put a little bit of rice in there because it's going pretty fast. That's so sweet, Alex. Yeah. Yeah, you're very vocal. You're very vocal today. Oh, my. Oh, my. Yes, you got a lot to say. Ah. Ah. Are you talking to me? Ah. Ah. Maybe you're pooping.